Hey there, tech-savvy friends. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday digital tasks to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to transfer money from Touch 'n Go to the bank in 2025. If you're in Malaysia or using Touch 'n Go for your daily payments, this update is super handy for managing your finances seamlessly. With the 2025 enhancements, the process is even faster and more secure, thanks to new biometric verifications and quicker processing times. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure your Touch 'n Go app is updated to the latest version. Head to your App Store, search for Touch 'n Go, and hit Update if needed. Once that's done, open the app and log in with your usual credentials, fingerprint, Face ID, or PIN for extra security. Now, navigate to the main menu and look for the Wallet or Transfer section. Tap on it, and you'll see options for sending money. Select Bank Transfer. This is the key feature we're focusing on for 2025. You'll be prompted to choose your bank from a list of supported institutions, like Maybank, CIMB, or others. If your bank isn't listed, double-check your app settings or contact Touch 'n Go support. Next, enter the amount you want to transfer and provide the necessary details, such as the recipient's account number and your reference note. Don't forget to review everything to avoid mistakes. For added security in 2025, you'll need to verify the transaction with a one-time PIN sent to your registered mobile number or use biometric authentication. Once confirmed, hit Submit, and you're all set. The transfer usually processes within minutes, but it can take up to 24 hours depending on your bank. Keep an eye on your Touch 'n Go transaction history and your bank app to confirm the funds have arrived. That's it. Simple, right? Always remember to transfer only what you need and keep an eye on fees, which might apply based on your bank. If you run into any issues, the Touch 'n Go Help Center has great resources. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and let us know in the comments if you have questions. See you next time.